if you're new to the channel, most everybody on this channel already knows, but if you're new to the channel, this kind of tag right here, you got a tag like that, you're subject to get towed. That's just how it works. People with fake tags and all that crap, they get yanked. That's what this channel's about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody, all my subscribers, all my viewers. Big thanks to my boss, and I want to thank God for keeping me safe, and I'll give credit where it's due. Hey there, we're back. Rolling in on some impounds over here, parked on the street. Saturday, around lunchtime. So everybody's probably home, but yeah, these particular impounds right here are usually controversial most of the time. There just ain't really no way around it doing these fire lanes. Is it white? Okay, I'm backing up on the Sportage right now. I'm gonna get out and hook it. All right, you got it. Yep, bye. Explain this right here. Whoever owns that Sportage has been parking in that spot repeatedly. They won't just tow a car for parking there for an hour. Somebody's been using that, parking that cul-de-sac, which causes problems for bigger trucks. Amazon, FedEx trucks, they try to turn around in that cul-de-sac, they can't turn around because there's a truck there. But this street's a dead-end street, and cul-de-sacs are where like I said, that's where the trucks turn around at. So the homeowners association are going to leave those cul-de-sacs open. They're not going to let people park in the cul-de-sacs because it causes problems. Anyway, long story short, we got it. A lot of people don't like the homeowner associations, but they have the right to tow, and they have the responsibility to keep the property up. And if people complain, homeowners complain, then the homeowner association is going to tow the cars. That's just how it works. Particular gentleman, actually, he was the same one that called up and threatened our dispatcher. Called her last night, then he called her today and said he was coming up here, gonna come up here and see about somebody. Well, he came up here and got his car back. That's what he did. Come up here and paid the $175 and got his car back. Anyway, if you get towed, it's your fault. It's not our fault he got towed. Evidently he had some violation that he got towed for. But people think it's our fault, and they want to take it out on our dispatchers or whoever, but it's not our fault. He showed up here to get his car, and the girl he's been talking to on the phone, she got a 45 on her hip, and don't think she won't pull it on somebody. We understand people get mad about their cars. Well, we already know what's going to happen. They're going to be pissed off. They're going to try to take it out on us. But when they show up over here, if they act decent, you know, we don't care what you say on the phone. That don't mean nothing. They have time to drive up here to get the car. They can calm down and act decent, and that's all we expect. People to act decent on the lot, and we'll act decent too. We're back at it again. Non-consensual towing. We yank cars, piss people off all the time, unfortunately. Uh-oh. Okay, we got somebody coming out.
Tag is not expired on that car.
Well, where's the sticker?
It's on there.
No, it's not on there.
Yes, it is.
That's not on there.
September 2020.
I know it's got it's already passed.
No, it hasn't.
It's already past September 2020.
That's the sticker that they sent me for this year.
Well, it was good till September. I mean, it's bad now.
It's not.
I'm telling you, I'm not trying to be mean. I understand it's easy to see this good till 2020, but it's good till September only.
That's the only thing they sent me this year. If you run the tag, it's not expired.
It's expired as of September. It was, and I'm not trying to be mean. It's just what I do.
Okay.
That's why it was.
Tell the tar if I'm contesting it, because that's breaching.
Well, you can pay it out if you want to pay it out. It's up to you.
I'm not paying it out.
Okay. Well, I'll tow it then. I mean, I'm just.
Because you're breaching the peace.
I'm not breaching peace. This is.
If I'm out here, that is breaching.
Well, it's not breaching peace. It's set. There's certain laws and guidelines that it go by. And I'm not trying to be mean.
I renewed the tag. I'm telling you, if you run the tag,
yeah, I'm not. Listen, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to be cordial with you about it.
I am too, and I'm telling you that the tag is not expired.
Well, I'm telling you it. Well, if you first off, I tow for the property. I'm not towing for me. I tow for the property.
I emailed them. You can't tow my car.
If you want to pay it out, pay it out.
I am not paying it out. You would be breaking the law if you towed this car right now by breaching the peace. I'm an attorney.
You know what private property law you know about private property law?
I sure do, and I still know that the breach of peace applies to private property.
They reserve the right.
And I have the right to be on this property because by paying rent, I am a licensed tenant.
You're a licensed tenant and everything, but you're required by the contract to sign to follow the letter of the law.
And I have.
My question is, why didn't you contact your office?
I did contact the office. I can also pull up that email for you as well.
All right, Javon, this is the tow guy. Hey, I'm back here at 5500 building. I got a woman this got a Camry. She claims that she's contacted the office now. I don't know if that's the case. It's not marked off my list. It's got a September tag. She tells me I can't tow it. And I'm telling her that it's on the truck. I've offered her to pay it out if she wants to pay it out. Well, she said she's not going to pay it out and that we can't tow it legally. And I'm telling her it's got a September tag, so it's not updated. So Toyota Camry. Now she claims she contacted y'all. I will go ahead and put that out there. She claims she contacted the office. And if you can verify that, that's going to be up to you. Hey, listen, she's telling me she can tow it. She's got legal right to tow it. She's not going to tow it, but she's got the right to tow your car. It's expired. She's going to let you have till when? Well, she's going to give you 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to get your key, I'll put it back in that space right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you mind bringing it down because I don't?
Okay. You got it. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
I just want to.
She was nice about it. She didn't have to but you emailed. You did email her. If you wouldn't email it, you would have got towed.
Okay.
But hey, that September 2020, it is expired.
Okay.
It is expired.
All I can do is call the Georgia Department of Vehicles.
I know, that's fine. That's fine. You're not getting towed, so you're good.
You're
not getting towed, you're good. And I didn't treat you any kind of way. I do it by the book.
I know you just do it.
Yeah, I do it by the book, and I treat people fair. Anyway, she did email the office. The office personnel, what they did was they missed the email from that girl, and the office manager read the same email that the girl showed me on her phone. So it was legit. She did email it, and communication is everything. Communication means a lot, and if people communicate with the managers, They usually don't get towed, and she didn't get towed because she communicated. If that manager wouldn't have found that email, she would have had to pay that drop fee. Anyway, we're gonna roll up here to the next one. She got lucky. She did what she was supposed to do and communicated, and that's the most important thing about doing these. If your car gets stickered, you better communicate with somebody. That's how this business works. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next one. Here we go. We got a Texas plate, no registration on the windshield. It's expired.